So I turned up with a chef jacket today, thinking I'll be in the kitchen. Nope, straight on the coffee bar. Getting the milk frothy has gone well so far, but it's the art on top which is proving very difficult. My hearts don't look like hearts, but I think I've got away with it. And there we go, it's a coffee bean. It gives you an appreciation of what people do. And you actually realise that every role requires a certain skill, which this one does. So I think you appreciate more what they do.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
What are we making today?
We're making an Instagram cake
Yes, we are.
inspired by Instagram.
We're doing mini donuts. Once it proves. And Rice Krispie Pops.
Okay, so
So
purple dots.
Pepper dots.
Look at the quality of these bad boys. Look at them. These are some we made earlier. Do you know what? These are really good days because it does 3 great things. It lets clients know we're a really team-orientated company. It keeps us in tune with food and the pressures that go on. And the third reason is it's great for the team to see us real, normal human beings who can come in and help and support them and see how crazy we really are.
The initial start was definitely to get them out of their comfort zone. We had chefs part of the team, which we make sure that they are nowhere near the kitchen. We had people that they specifically said they didn't want to do coffee, so we specifically put them on coffee bar to show them how it's done at ASOS. And we had people that they were not comfortable cooking, so we got them into chopping onions and prep and cooking. It turned out really well, so we are very impressed actually with the amount of work that they achieved.
We'll be sending a scorecard later on.
Yes, definitely. Scorecards coming their way.